Shivangi Hiral on this side. So what would your top picks be, taking into consideration the way trade is panning out right now?
Good afternoon, Hiral. So, talking about my top picks for this afternoon, first up would be, we've seen that there has been good buying interest across, spaces like which are related to gold and jewelry. Of course, today is Akshaya Tritiya, and it has a lot of importance. We've seen that, Titan has been one stock which has seen a good rub off of this effect and consistently made higher top, higher bottom in the last 4 weeks. Now, year on year basis, we've seen that this stock has been a wealth creator. Recently, there has been smart buying in the last 4 weeks, and in the last 15 trading sessions, out of which 13 have closed in green, which indicates that strength of the bulls is to continue here. The jewelry segment of Titan has registered 24% year on year growth, supported by, of course, higher gold prices and the way this metal is shining. Now, gold jewelry alone rose by 27%, while gold sale coins jumped around about 65%, which is reflecting the strong demand here. And of course, with the festivities kicking in, this stock is poised to do a good up move here. So, recommending a buy with a target of 3,500 levels on an immediate basis with a stop of 3,330 levels. Now, the second pick on my radar is IGL, which has seen a recent price volume surge here. RSI is showing positive divergence, and with the kind of diversification we are seeing across the board, across sectors, this is one stock which is now started to just move. On a monthly basis, we've seen that the stock has consolidated, but the good part is there has been good support-based buying from the lower levels, which is making a comeback of the bulls here. Now, it has surpassed its immediate hurdle levels of 193 zones, and it is getting ready for a upside move. So, recommending a buy here with a target of 200 and a stop of 190 level.
Right, so that's with regards to where the top picks go, Titan and IGL, and we'll try getting you a bite of the conversation that we had with the management of PN Gaduril as well. But before that, another piece that has been interesting is with regards to where the gas stocks are concerned, and IGL being Shivangi's top pick. One link or one piece that my colleague Mihika has put together is taking into consideration the volatility Nifty has seen this year and how momentum strategies often never work during periods of market downturns. And that is what has led to her research to analyze allocations of focused and value mutual funds and how gas transmission, that has been the contra pick. Mika gets us all the details on the same in a short while. But overall, if you see in terms of the pick, it's mainly, it's been very flat in terms of IT, but it's mainly IGL and MGL that have made it to the list. But moving from there on, a set of other companies that are on our radar today are IndusInd Bank and Bajaj Finance. Shivangi, what are both their charts indicating today?
Now, of course, with Bank Nifty on the soul, we've seen that some pockets have contributed time and again. NBFC financial space have been one which were, the first up. But of course, we've seen some sort of a rub off in the last 4 trading sessions in stocks like Bajaj Finance. And we've seen that the stock has, slipped lower and gave up its gain of the last, 1 month. But overall, this stock is again respecting its key retracement levels, and it might be a wait and watch for a good level to enter again. Now, talking about IndusInd Bank, this one has been a slow and steady mover, and we are expecting banking stocks to overall outperform, and continue doing so. And IndusInd would be one such stock which has been doing quite well from the last 4 weeks, where it's making higher top, higher bottom. On a monthly basis, the stock is still, trending lower. So overall, long-term structure might not have changed, but the immediate short-term structure indicates that there could be, a quick upswing that one could capture onto.